Hi, hello, good evening, friends. I'm your MP Vijayakanna. Okay, today topics is nothing but acupressure for hair growth. See, from the forehead to top, the center point you have to take, and you have to give a mild massage with normal level of gentle pressure. You can make it out. Okay, so in this manner, you have to divided a hair into two parts along with the center partition. Okay, from forehead to back area. So you have to make it out the separation in the two part, and the center point would be that acupressure point from the forehead to the end. Okay, why we are doing all those things? In that sense, it makes the blood circulations in the head, so automatically hair growth will increase. And one more is side part. Assume that you are writing T, and you are making this T in the reverse form. So assume that and do in that neck area also. Okay, so reversal form of T you have to massage in the scalp as we mentioned in the center partition. Okay, so as I told in my old videos, the scalp health is nothing but a hair health. So we have to increase the scalp health. So what we can do, these kind of acupressure will increase the blood circulation in the scalp, so it promotes hair growth, and it can be avoided a hair thinning effect. As well as the main and major advantage, um, uh, put that hair care as apart. Okay, now this massage will give you that stress free one. Okay, so mental stress, you can eradicate the mental stress by this acupressure massage. So as well as hair care with mental stress relief, you can get it by this sort of massage. You can do this weekly once compulsorily, or else whoever facing that mental stress issue, they can do daily also. There is no more limitation for this massage. You can continue as you want, 5 minutes to 50 minutes also you can do. But my suggestion is do weekly, one or twice compulsorily. You'll get better hair growth along with the thickness. Okay, so and one more thing, added point is this massage will reset your natural oiliness in the scalp, so automatically all the hair problem will be solved over here. So kindly do this massage as I mentioned. In this method you follow, definitely you will get better hair growth along with the ultra thickness. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to touch the bell button for each and every updates. By then, take care. We'll meet you with some good video. Bye.